channel, Nadinespeaks. So if you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell so it notifies you every time my beautiful face pops up on your feed. So today I have a very tasty treat for you. Yes, if you couldn't tell by the intro, I have these really cute Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer hot cocoa mix. And to match this little cute guy, you have to have Santa Claus. So this cute little Santa Claus has a peppermint hat, a chocolate face, and a marshmallow beard. And this cute little Rudolph has a hot chocolate face, chocolate chips, and of course marshmallows, because you gotta top every hot cocoa with marshmallows. Tell me what your favorite hot cocoa combination is down below. Is it peppermint Santa or chocolate reindeer? Ooh, I'd like to find out. Also, head to my Insta story right now and vote on your favorite. These were super fun to make. I took a lot of inspiration from Pinterest. Thank you, Pinterest. And I even made hot cocoa labels to just add the perfect little cute touch, and it makes it look a little bit more bougie when it's handmade. So the label goes a little something like this. Usually cones are freezing, but this one will warm you up. Just add some hot milk and stir into your favorite cup. Yes, I love to rhyme in my spare time as well. So stay tuned to my channel to see how you can make your very own little hot chocolate treats, and stay till the very end of my video because I have a special sweater surprise. First, start off with your favorite hot chocolate cocoa mix, mini marshmallows, and chocolate morsels. Also, for the Santa hat, we're gonna use these peppermint patties. Be sure to crush them. I crush them with this meat tenderizer. We're gonna put everything in these 12-inch piping bags. You can get them from anywhere. I got them from Walmart. We are going to decorate our reindeers with these googly eyes, red puff balls, and these brown pipe cleaners as antlers. So first, we're gonna start out with stuffing everything into this pipe cleaner. So you're just gonna open up the bag, and then you're going to scoop hot chocolate cocoa mix. I used this little scoop, and I basically did 2.5 scoops of each ingredient. So 2.5 scoops of hot chocolate cocoa mix, and be sure to shake it so it goes all the way down the piping bag. I like to use this line as my guide. It's actually perfect, I think. So then when you're done with the hot chocolate cocoa mix, we're gonna put our chocolate morsels on top of that, making an amazing layer. And then we're gonna put our mini marshmallows to top it all off. Once you're done, you're gonna twist that top, use the pipe cleaners to wrap around, and then we're gonna form little antlers with the top. I just zigzagged the top of these pipe cleaners to make the perfect antler. Then we're gonna glue our eyes on with this craft glue and a hot glue gun to put our little red puff for Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Like I said in the intro, I made my own labels with clip art and words. Let me know if you want a template down below. This pretty sparkly ribbon, you can use any color you like, any color scrapbook paper I use just to make a little cute definition to the label. So then I cut little squares of this to layer everything on, and then put the label on top like so. Once I had everything, I took a 1-hole punch and I just made a little hole and then stuck a silver ribbon through. Then I tied the ribbon on, and using my scissors, I used that age-old trick of curling the ribbon to make it extra special. And as you can see here, here's one of my finished Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeers. On to Mr. Santa Claus. So like I said, I use this crushed peppermint for the hat, and you're just gonna put 2.5 scoops again of every ingredient, and really make sure that it goes all the way down to the very tip of your piping bag. Then for the second layer, we're gonna do our hot cocoa mix to make the face of Mr. Santa Claus. On the very top, we're gonna put all our mini marshmallows to look like the big white Santa beard when you place it upside down. So when you're done twisting the top of that, you're gonna take one of your ribbon again and make sure the top is secure. After making sure the top is secure, we're gonna place our googly eyes to make the eyes of our Mr. Santa Claus. And then with a hot glue gun, we're gonna make his red button nose. And then to top his little hat off, I found these glittery white balls, but you can certainly use a red puff ball or any puff ball you choose. And then with the hole punch, I'm going to punch a hole in one of those labels that I made for dear old Saint Nick. And then I'm gonna run the ribbon through it and tie it on so that it makes a perfect Mr. Santa Claus. So I hope you enjoyed making those hot cocoa treats. Thank you so much for watching. And as I promised, I have a cat sweater surprise. So if you didn't already know, my cat sweater lights up. Oh my gosh, I'm a Christmas tree. I'm so lit, literally. And to top it all off, I have these cute little earrings my mom got me from Walmart too. So do me a favor and give a like to this video if you like these hot cocoa treats. Subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. All the links will be down below. And have a very happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Tell me, what is your favorite crazy family tradition? I definitely want to know. All right, bye guys. Christmas, with every Christmas card.